Namaskaram. By which name the demon under the feet of Lord Nataraj called as Apasmaraka. Aditalam is also called as Chaturasra Jati Triputa Talam. Who invented the famous Karnataka Raga Hamsadhwani? Ramaswamy Dikshitar, the father of Muthuswamy Dikshitar. Name the Trividha Layas: Vilambha Laya slow, Madhya Laya medium, Dhruta Laya fast. Name the Carnatic music trinity or Carnatic Sangeeta Murti Trayam. Sri Shyama Sastri Garu, Sri Tyagaraja Swami, Sri Muthuswamy Dikshitar.